Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. This week, we are working with long vowel silent E. Long vowel silent E's pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and an E at the end. The E at the end is not pronounced. The vowel U can make two sounds, the short U sound as in up, or the long U sound as in unicorn. Today we will be sorting words into a short U column and a long U column. Our first word in our word box is tune. T-U-N, tune. I can see with tune, there's one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. I will put tune underneath the long U column. T, U, N. And don't forget that silent E at the end. Please write the gesture of the long vowel silent E. Our next word is sum. Sum. The sum spelled S-U-M is like the answer of a math problem. I see one vowel followed by one or more consonants, and the vowel sound is short. That is a closed syllable type. Please write sum. Some. And I like to cross off our words as we go to help stay organized. Our next word is cute. C-U-T. Cute. I see the long vowel silent E pattern. One vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Cute. C-U-T. Cute. Please draw the gesture underneath cute. Our next word is bud. B-U-D. Bud. I can see there's one vowel followed by one or more consonants, and the vowel sound is short. So I'm going to put bud underneath the short U column. B-U-D. Bud. With the word huge, I see two vowels. I see the pattern one vowel, one consonant, and a silent E at the end. Huge. H-U-J. Huge. And remember, boys and girls, in our last video, G normally says g, gorilla, but sometimes it can make a soft G sound like j. Please draw the gesture. Okay, my friends, you are on your own for the rest of the words. We have none, none, fuse, fuse, cup, p, cup, mule, mule. And remember, a mule is like a donkey. And bus, bus. Please finish sorting those last 5 words and flip your paper over when you're done. Way to go. Please write your name at the top of your paper. We are doing long U, silent E. With our page is called All Blended Up because all of our letters are scrambled up. So our first picture is a picture of fume. You can see we have 4 letters above the picture, but that definitely does not spell fume. So let's sound it out. Fume. So the first sound I hear is then I hear you. And I like to cross the letters off as I go to help myself stay organized. With a silent E at the end. Fume. And you can see all the letters above the picture we've used, so we did it correctly. Long vowel, silent E, fume. Our next picture is a picture of a huge cupcake. Huge. Please finger stretch huge with me. Huge. Huge. The first sound I hear is huh. I'm going to cross off that letter to stay organized. My second sound I hear is you. Cross it off to stay organized. J. There's that soft G. J. With that silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E pattern. Please draw the symbol. Long vowel, silent E. Huge. Okay, my friends, see in our next picture where the arrow is pointing? It's pointing to a hill that is called a dune. Dune. Finger stretch. D-U-N. Dune. First sound I hear is D. U. Last sound I hear is And that U is saying it's long vowel sound because of that silent E at the end. Long vowel, silent E syllable type. Our next word or picture is a picture of a cube, an ice cube. Please finger stretch cube. K-U-B. Cube. First sound is K. Cross off the C. U. B. With a silent E at the end. Cube. Long vowel, silent E syllable type. Our next picture is a picture of music notes that make a tune. T-U-N. Tune. First sound we hear is T. U. N. With a silent E at the end. Makes the long vowel say its name. Last one, you're on your own. It's a picture of a mule, like a donkey. Mule. M-U-L. Mule. All right, near the bottom, it says, write a sentence using some of the above words. So using one of these 6 words, please write a sentence that has one of those 6 words. Or even challenge yourself to write a sentence that has 2 words in the sentence. Please remember your conventions, a capital letter, finger spaces, and ending punctuation. My sentence is going to be, I rode a mule over the dune. So I need a capital at the beginning of my sentence. I rode D. Long vowel, silent E. A. Mule. M. U. O. O. V. The. Dune. D. U. N. Dune. With ending punctuation. All right, my friends, as soon as you're finished with that, please turn it in the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.